Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang pahayag ni ex-Senator Ping Lacson tungkol sa kontrobersiya sa blank item sa BICAM report. So dito sa post ni Ping Lacson sa kanyang social media account, sabi niya, on the reported blank appropriations in the 2025 budget. By the way, isa si ex-Senator Ping Lacson sa hinahangaan kong senador when it comes to budget scrutiny is concerned. I can feel his sincerity na dapat walang korupsyon o hindi sayangin ang pera ng taong bayan. Kaya saludo ako dito kay Senator Ping Lacson. So ito na, may pahayag na siya kung sino ba talaga may pananagutan tungkol sa issue na ito. Sabi niya, the BICAM report on the 2025 budget that reportedly contained blank appropriations and was signed by the bicameral conference committee members looks like a repeat of the 2019 General Appropriations Act when former President Rodrigo Duterte vetoed 95.3 billion upon then Soto-led Senate's strong representation after we discovered anomalous entries in the printed enrolled bill that were not reflected in our ratified BICAM report. So, nangyari na pala ito. 2019. So, tapos na yung BICAM. I-print ang may trabaho po ng mag-print ng enrolled bill ay ang House of Representatives. Tapos ng BICAM sinubmit ang enrolled bill. Nako, may isiningit na wala doon sa BICAM report, inilagay doon sa General Appropriations Bill. Nagreklamo ngayon si Senator Lacson, Senator Soto, naglabi sila kay Pangulong Duterte at yun, vineto. Ginanon ni Pangulong Duterte 95.3 billion. So, nangyari na pala ito noon. But, mabuti at may Lacson, may Soto noon na naging, nakabantay. Sabi niya, but the big difference now is, it seems nobody among the present senators dared or cared to scrutinize the budget documents. Hence, this controversy now brewing. Malaking kaibahan. Ang mga present senator ngayon, example, Senator Amy, parang may nakita na niya na blanco-blanco. Wala. Ang ginawa lang niya, hindi lang siya nagperma. Although, parang nanawagan sa kapatid niya, sa presidente na pag-aralang maigi, huwag basta-basta pipirma. Ano pa? Ang mga senador, perma. Sino yung mga pumirma? Gatchalian, Villanueva, diba? Yung mga hindi naman pumirma, Bato, Bongo, ganun lang ang ginawa nila. Hindi katulad noon kay Senator Lacson at Soto na gumalaw sila, maksyon sila, kinausap ang presidente, Tatay Digong, at yun, nabeto yung mga singit. So yan ang malaking kaibahan. Ang present Senate leadership ngayon, Senator Escudero, sabi niya, wala, kailang may palusot. Meron daw provisions doon sa BICAM report na ang Finance Committee, Appropriations Committee, authorized daw na mag-fill in the blanks. Yan na. There's something fishy yung paliwanag ng Senate President. Okay. Next, ito, mabigat. The Filipino taxpayers deserve an explanation. Yan na. Paliwanag nyo. Yan. Salamat po, Senator Lacson, sa inyong statement. The Filipino taxpayers deserve an explanation. An examination of the enrolled bill printed by the House of Representatives and comparing it with the ratified BICAM report will expose those responsible. Correct. So, yung BICAM report na pirmado, yun, lumalabas may blanco. I-compare mo ngayon sa enrolled bill. Doon mo makikita. Yan, malalaman na. Very practical itong suggestion ni Senator Lacson. Next, unless, sabi niya, we examine the enrolled bill that Congress transmitted to Malacanang, we can't determine yet who filled in those blanks. House of Representatives ba or Malacanang? A BICAM report cannot be amended. Oh, klaro. So, ano yung paliwanag ni Senator Escudero? May provision daw sa BICAM na pwedeng i-correct, i-fill in the blanks. Sabi niya, a BICAM report cannot be amended. It is only subject to being ratified or rejected by either or both houses. If the enrolled bill is different from the ratified BICAM report, the House of Representatives, being in charge of the printing, should explain, as in the case of the heavily vetoed 219 GA, if the enrolled bill is still contained the blank spaces, the burden shifts to the executive branch, particularly the Department of Budget and Management. Klaro, naintindihan ko na. Dapat busisihin ang enrolled bill, yung GAB, i-compare sa BICAM report. Doon mo malalaman sino ang mga magicians na tinutukoy ni Congressman Ocab na nag-fill in the blanks. Saludo ako kay Senator Lacson. So, tahimik ang House of Representatives, lalo na ang Speaker of the House. Senate, nagsalita na ang Senate President na wala daw ano. Sabi niya, sige, magsampa na lang kayo ng kaso.